David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. Protests happen every day in Washington. Some are big, with hundreds of thousands of marchers. Others small, almost family affairs. Regardless of size, this is one of the things I love about this city. Seeing people come out to exercise their First Amendment rights. And it reminds me that in other countries, you could be jailed or worse for doing just this. The White House is a very effective site for protesters. It's a symbol of government power, and there are also always reporters around. Women are the first to figure that out, and they hold the first White House protest here at this gate to pressure President Woodrow Wilson to support passage of the 19th Amendment. Now, you never know who will be protesting here on any given day, but you can be assured you'll find these folks. The Peace Vigil has been here since 1981, toward the end of the Cold War, when there was a fear of nuclear war. And they've been here ever since, and they've been very successful. There has not been nuclear war since they've arrived. Now, since then, they've gone on to be witnesses to other ills facing the country and the planet. Now, there are a few rules about having a protest like this in this spot. First of all, you have to stay with your signs. You can't put up signs and just leave. If that would occur, the Park Service would be within their purview to remove the material. Second, no sleeping. That would be camping, and this is one national park where camping is not allowed. That's why these folks work in shifts. So there's always someone here to talk with you if you have any questions, so please ask. They'd be more than happy to engage in a conversation with you about why they feel their work here is important. Lastly, anyone can do this. To protest outside of the White House, just show up. No permits needed. And when you do, you're taking part in an activity that is as old as the nation itself. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.